so as you can see, I'm sitting on this big, huge rock. And people always ask me, why do we use rocks? What's the importance of rocks? And so just wanted to give you some ideas today about rocks and about some boulders. So as you can see, this is a pretty good sized rock. This rock is a couple thousand pounds. This is a Tennessee stone. So we get it from our vendors. They bring it in out of Tennessee. But it's a beautiful piece. We use these pieces of stone for that accent. So if you have some areas like in the front entranceway and we want to like put a giant maple in there, we want something to make it just pop and give it that little bit of extra, we use these bigger stones. But stones all range in different sizes. So you have stones this size here. This is a big stone. And then you can also see we have stones here. This is called a river round. This is called a medium river round. As you can see, it's a medium-sized rock. Not too big, not too small. And so rocks can vary between those two sizes all day long, and they're really good accent pieces to incorporate in your landscape. They really give, like this one has some nice texture on the top, so we can do lights on it at night. We can give it a little bit of extra flair that is always needed or that could be used there in the landscape. So when you're thinking about things to add in your landscape, keep rocks in mind. They're a beautiful piece, a very easy, nice accent piece. They can be used in a number of different aesthetics and a number of different places in your landscape.